Asa? Yeah.
Kasi lang sakit.
Asan? Asan tadi?
Asan siguro din? Hindi na ang parking, dogs. Asan? Kani siguro? Oo, marag mo.
Ito nasa labas.
Ayun.
Ano na parking?
Parking is way.
Yo, what's up? Peejay here. So in today's video, we will tour around kaning resort in Mactan. Itawag niya Costabella, Bella. So let's go. Ato tan-aon sa ilang mga amenities ani na swimming pool and of course napoy beach. So let's go. Oh. Turn around. So wala pa mong rooms, mag-lunch ata ni sa ilahang restaurant, La Marina. Daghan silang menu na vegetable, na goat, beef, pork, international cuisine, Filipino food, so sagol na ilahang menu. Chicken, kay kapilian ay pizza, sides, tacos and wraps, dessert, and of course na pa sila beverage. Ang swimming pool and ilang mga room accommodations dito sa taas. What's your drink? Oh.
Wala pa man nito. Isa na.
Long Island iced tea. Muna ginom nila Ate Cathy, no?
Nagtaw sila iced tea. Hello, Tikat.
Iced tea with a kick. Salamat. So, muna yung mag-order for lunch ang tajin, beef tajin. Tama? As expected. And then, of course, kuha ng pepper, salt and pepper squid. And of course, na rice. So, nabot na mong lunch. Squid and katong tajin. Squid. Fresh. Fresh ang squid. Ang tajin na lang talaga. Ito na ito rice para mas lami. Humok na yung beef.
Humok ra? Ay, very good.
Nagsumok. Inaan. Okay. Good.
Good choice naman.
Yeah. So far, so good ang napili ang pepper squid, salt and pepper squid, at ang kaning tajin, beef tajin. Ano sabi?
Humok ra ang beef.
Bukay ang beef. Facilities, L-shaped pool, free-form pool, La Marina, Luna Bar, mini gym, Lema Spa, Kitty Corner, the gift shop, activities, yan. And of course, food and beverage, La Marina. Yeah. Oh, ano ko? Spa, Filipino-Spa. Lema. 5 rin pwede yan eh. 1, 2, 3 5 rin siya. Oh, musud ka na mga kasa-kasa. So ato na i-check ilahang swimming pool ug ilang beach. So na sila ito ang swimming pool, the L shape, and the main swimming pool, and of course the beach side and ako'y gym. and spa. Let's go. Let's check it out. I think mo na. May tagdimulan. Ah, wait. Is this a good spot? Sila yung slide and swimming pool. One of the main swimming pool. There. And front is the beach. Going to the beach side na eh. So actually, hilikid ako ilang pool. Because is the L-shaped swimming pool. There. And fronting it, mo na tugikan ang ganiha ang La Marina. So, dohar lang swimming pool but dili man kay daghang tao pod naligo. So ayos lang. There. And ilang accommodation, I think money ang deluxe room. Then katong 7 floors kay mo to ang deluxe premier. Yogi. So mara akong channel ron kay dapat ko ata yumon. Chill or chill. Walking. Yeah. Dog is a gift shop. Kapalit niya ta.
Ay, pwede siya daw.
Kasi because it's the kiddie corner. Tada. So now we are headed to the beach. Wala kita sa ilang gym lagi. Kita ka sa ilang gym. Gym. Oh, abot na to sa beach. Let's go to the beach. Nice. Pwede mo maglingkod ano oh. Set up mo kuan. Drinks mo. Oh, and pwede po mo mag wedding by the beach, oh, na nag-set up ano. So later mag-gate crash ta, na ipagkaon dito. Pero gamay na ilang table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, intimate wedding.
I think mo na lang itong
Layo na sa dagat. Oh. So, mo ilang dagat ka side. I think okay siya kay Marag, di ba? Separated from I think safe ni ilan yung ginalimpyuhan. Ani nga side. Kutob dito. There. Ooh. But low tide pa man. So maybe tomorrow or later makalangoy-langoy ta ani.